Welcome to Abhi online classes. Today I am going to explain about polymers. Here the fibers. Fibers are also one type of polymers with thread-like structures. And the fibers are classified into two types, natural fibers and synthetic fibers. The natural fibers important sources are plants and animals. The most important examples are cotton, silk and wool like this. Synthetic fibers are the main sources are raw materials obtained from the petroleum. And the examples are polyamides and polyesters. The first synthetic fibers are polyamides. They contains amide linkage. Means C double bond O NH bond is called as amide linkage. The polyamides are containing this amide linkage. These are made up of with diamines and dioic acid. Okay, and here the examples of these polyamides are nylon 66 and nylon 6. Nylon 66 is that contains, it is a condensation polymer of hexamethylene diamine and adipic acid. This hexamethylene diamine is one type of diamine and adipic acid is example for one dioic acid. Like they containing hexamethylene means 6 CH2 groups contains 2 NH2 groups. And the 4 CH2 groups, that is tetramethylene will contains 2 COOH groups. Like hexamethylene diamine and adipic acids are monomers of this nylon 66. This 6 number represents the number of carbon atoms present in both the monomers. Okay, and another example is nylon 6. It is also a condensation polymer of aminocaproic acid. This monomer is obtained by the hydrolysis of caprolactam. It is also contains one amino functional group and COOH functional group. That is the number of carbon atoms are 5 plus 1 6. That's why it is represented with nylon 6. Another synthetic fiber is polyesters. They will contain ester linkages like bond C double bond O, O C double bond O. Linkage is called ester linkage. These polyesters are made up of with diols and dioic acids. Diols means they contains 2 hydroxy groups and dioic acid means it contains 2 carboxylic acid functional groups. Examples are terylene and glyapthol. The first example, terylene is also known as Dacron or PET. PET means polyethylene terephthalate. It is also a condensation polymer of ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. This ethylene glycol contains 2 alcohol functional groups, 2 hydroxy groups. And terephthalic acid means in the first carbon atom and in the fourth carbon atom 2C. It is a condensation polymer of ethylene glycol and terephthalic acid. Like these 2 monomers formulas are like this. And another example of polyester is glyapthol. Glyapthol is also a condensation polymer of ethylene glycol and phthalic acid. This ethylene glycol contains 2 OH functional groups and phthalic acid contains 2 COOH functional groups present at adjacent carbon atoms, that is in the first and second positions of the benzene ring. Here in these 2 examples, ethylene glycol is the same monomer repeated in terylene and glyapthol. And terephthalic acid and phthalic acid are known as positional isomers in these 2 polyesters because the COOH groups are present in the terephthalic acid at 1,4 positions, but in the phthalic acid the COOH groups are present at first and second positions of the benzene ring. That's why terephthalic acid and phthalic acid are known as positional isomers present in the polyesters like terylene and glyaphtol. These two are examples for polyesters, and this nylon 66 and nylon 6 are the examples of polyamides. These polyamides and polyesters are totally the main examples of synthetic fibers. This is about the fibers and its types with example. Hope you understand. Thank you.